When installing a new decal on your Corvette, using the proper technique is critical to getting a good result. Whether you are installing a decal on the interior or exterior of your vehicle, the steps involved are the same. These steps are for installing the decal dry or without water. Most decals should be installed dry, with the exception of large hood decals and vehicle graphics that will need to be repositioned during installation. First, here are a few important tips for your decal installation. Number 1. Do not store or install your decal in direct sunlight. The heat may prevent your decal from adhering properly. Number 2. Install your decal when the temperature is between 50 and 72 degrees for best results. Number 3. Do not use glass cleaner to clean the surface your decal is being applied to. Ammonia-based cleaners may create bubbles under your decal and prevent proper adhesion. Number 4. Use a piece of painter's tape to position the decal and hold it in place. This allows you to reposition the decal before installation and get it exactly where you want it. Keeping these tips in mind, here are the steps to install your new decal for professional results. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Clean the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Remember, do not use glass cleaner because it will leave a residue behind that will prevent the sticker from adhering well. Be sure the surface is completely dry before applying your decal. Step 2. Rub the decal. Rub a squeegee or credit card firmly across the sticker through the clear transfer tape to prepare it for application. This ensures the sticker will cling to the transfer tape and removes any air bubbles that may have formed. Step 3. Remove the backing. Peel the white paper backing off the sticker. If the sticker clings to the backing, slowly replace the paper backing and repeat step 2. Step 4. Apply the decal. Slowly lower the sticker onto the surface and rub it in place firmly with a squeegee or credit card. For best results, wait 24 hours before moving to the next step. Step 5. Remove the transfer tape. Slowly peel the clear transfer tape off at an angle. Be careful not to pull the sticker off the surface. If the sticker pulls away from the surface, repeat step 4. Your decal is now installed. Try not to expose it to moisture or extreme temperatures for at least 24 hours. Following these guidelines will help you to get the best results when installing your new decal. Remember to be patient and take your time, and you'll be able to enjoy the new addition to your Corvette for years to come. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. At CorvetteMods, we obsess over your vet.